This bottle reads Kongo-sa in Japanese. Kinda abrasive powder. Looks like metal powder. It increases the speed of this flattening drastically. This is Sharpening 120 grit. Sorry. Yes, 120 grit. Very coarse. A tiny bit hollow shape is remaining only here. 3 more minutes. Two more minutes. Very tiring job. Anyway, this annual flattening stone is very coarse. Only for under 1,000, 2,000 maybe. 3,000 no good. Definitely no good. Maybe to 1,000 grit stones it works. Well, you know, it makes erosion on its surface, but 120 is already coarse.
Blended micro bevel. Large angle of the main bevel. Blended micro bevel. On the other side, again, I estimate this apex angle is over 40. Pretty large.
Hello, knife people. I have 4 bushcrafters. Each has different grade. High convex, done by Mr. Kylie Harris. This edge angle will be under 30, 25, like that. Oh, black and white ebony handle. Curly core handle. This curly pattern changes according to the light reflection. Beautiful handle. As you can see, higher flat grind on the left. Original low low convex grind on the right. A bit larger than this one. Sharper. I estimate this angle 30 plus alpha 31 2. Beautiful handle. they say it is rosewood pearl. Anyway, it has a cowrie pattern. Oh, the same height but flat on the left, convex on the right, low convex, large, over 35. Still large. This is the new knife. This linear pattern is beautiful in this Makassar ebon. It cuts paper very nicely. Stronger resistance from this edge. I estimate, as I said in the microscopic video, it is over 40. Over 40, 30, over 35, over 30, under 30, something like that. It's cynical that this is the best bushcraft handle in Back River. It is one of the best drop point, straight line, and nice belly for hunting. Right length 4 inches for hunting. For side holding, as long as this handle is dry, it is very nice. But when it turns wet and oily, greasy, hunting severe situation, it rounds in the hand. It moves in the hand. Kinda round handle. Cynical. Pity. For bushcraft, it happens to be a gunny hunter, but the same handle as gunny. Not the hand feeling. In this fist holding, kinda unstable for bushcraft, but for hunting, this side holding, this thinness and swelling and thinness, not so exaggerated palm swell, light, moderate. It is a very good hunting handle as 3V fox handle is. Best two hunting handles. But for bushcraft, too thin. Bravo one handle. Not hand feeling. I mean, this palm swell is thick enough, but this contour does not feel my hand. It is thicker than bushcrafter, as you can see. But ergonomically, this handle shape fits my hand perfectly in this fist holding. This is not. I can put more power to this handle in wood whittling. Absolutely, I'm sure. This is not. It can be more flexible in the hand. Same. it will not be so slick in the hand for hunting situation. This can be more slick in hunting situation. So it is a Bravo 1 Hunter Light hunting knife. I sharpened the edge and it will get nicer. It gets nicer. Anyway, the issue is what kind of grinds I put to this knife. One side regrinding, full height on the both sides. Okay, I made up my mind that I will make full flat rear scanty grind to this knife. Same height. I think it will make just over 30 degrees, like this one. And if needed, I can raise the bevel height as I like. I will make a real bushcraft knife, but this shape is versatile, not only for bushcraft but also for hunting. It's cynical that it is a good handle but not a very good edge geometry. Hunting shape. It is a strange knife, very strange to me. Okay, here we go. Today's job is grind down this convex bevel to make zero scanty edge, maybe 30 around that degrees. To do that, I already knew that this Sharpening 220 can do. I once did it with this stone as an initial stone, but this portion took hollow, so I need to use only this side today. But I have a better stone for this job. Sharpening 120. Last night I flattened this surface for this job, today's job. This will spare time, twice as fast as this stone. You know, sharing the job with many stones will reduce each stone wearing. It is taking care of each stone. So, as I showed, Sharpening 220, Sharpening 320, and Chosera 400, Chosera 800, Chosera 2000, Chosera 3000, Sharpening 5000, and today, for this flat bevel, I will polish up using these two stones, Sharpening 8000 and Sharpening 12,000. I have two more stones, Sharpening 1000 and Sharpening 2000, but today I don't use these two stones to, to take care of them, how to say, to keep these flatness. Sharing a job with many stones keeps each stone flat, no wearing. Therefore, I like having many stones, sharing the job with them. Okay, let's start with Sharpening 120. I finished the initial flattening job. I hope you can see the very edge line is remaining. This micro beveling is remaining for the next stone. You know, just 5 minutes finished with this stone. Edge line is very important, so fine maneuver is needed not to change this round beauty. Therefore, I raise the grit to 20 for this job. Fine job. I use only this side. This side hollow. I expect this 220 sharpening will reach the edge line within 5 minutes or so. Each stone short period and in total 1 hour or such. This is my last grit 12,000 and finest Nagura Mejiro. This is my waterstone finished edge. let's cut paper. It is as sharp as finished with the white compound. Sharpening 12,000 grit is almost the same grit as River white, I assume. Anyway, let's compare with the others.
This is my waterstone sharpened Scandi. Like this. I estimate this angle is around 30.
Waterstone sharpening, especially for this kind of hardcore reprofiling, it is prone to make the edge line under the point straight and make the belly line shallower, as you can see. Please compare with this one. Much rounder. Only this side higher Scandi. This one. I estimate this angle over 30. Under 30. How about it? First, my newest sharpened Zero Scandi. Kylie made high convex. This is sharper. My homemade asymmetrical Scandi. Convex, flat. A bit sharper than this one. This asymmetrical grind is a bit larger angle than this Scandi. This line, large, medium, smallest. I estimate this angle is just around 30. I will take it as my top bushcraft knife. Okay, thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.